Let's start about India's LPG crunch explained. What led to the shortage, why supply is tight, and what it means for households and businesses. Rising LPG demand. Liquefied petroleum gas yani LPG has become the primary cooking fuel used in India today. The country consumes roughly 31.3 million tons of LPG every year, and nearly 87% of this supply is used in household kitchens. Demand has expanded rapid over the past decade, particularly after government schemes widened LPG access to millions of homes across the country. Dependence on imports. India's LPG supply chain relies heavily on international imports. As per some reports, up to 80 to 85% of the LPG consumed in the country is imported, mainly from Persian Gulf nations such as Saudi Arabia and Qatar. This dependence means disruption in global shipping routes or geopolitical tensions in the key energy regions can directly affect domestic LPG availability and prices. Hormuz disruption. The current LPG shortage is closely tied to escalating conflict in West Asia. Following military tensions involving the United States, Israel, and Iran, shipping through the Strait of Hormuz has effectively halted. Nearly 85 to 90% of the India's LPG imports normally pass through this narrow waterway, making disruptions here particularly significant for India's energy supply chain. Stranded tankers. Shipping disruptions have left several vessels unable to move through the Persian Gulf region. As of the March 5, more than 35 Indian-flagged ships, mostly carrying energy cargo, are currently stranded while awaiting clarity on when safe shipping routes will reopen. With tankers delayed and cargo unable to move, LPG supplies entering India have been directly affected. Business affected. To protect household cooking supply, authorities have prioritized LPG distribution for domestic consumers. However, this has created shortage for commercial users. Restaurants, tea shops, hostels, and small eateries relying on commercial cylinders report reduced deliveries. Industry representatives warn that prolonged supply disruption could force some establishments to scale down or suspend operations. Price impact. As supply tightens, LPG prices have begun rising. Domestic cooking gas cylinders have increased by about 60 rupees, while commercial cylinders used by restaurants have become more than 114 costlier. For many households and small businesses, even modest increases in cooking fuel costs can place additional pressure on already stretched budgets. Government measures. To stabilize supply, the government invoked the Essential Commodities Act and directed refineries to increase LPG output. Facilities have been asked to divert propane and butane stream usually used in petrochemical toward LPG production. Oil marketing companies producing nearly 40% of India's LPG requirement, as per the reports, have also been instructed to prioritize domestic consumers. Official assurance. Officials say the shortage is expected to be temporary. Authorities are exploring alternative import routes and supply sources while boosting domestic production. Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri stated that India is securing energy flows through multiple sources and supply routes to maintain fuel availability, despite global disruption affecting shipping. Found this insightful? Share to show your support and comment in the comment box. What do you think about this LPG gas crisis? Thank you and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.